Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So today I want to tell you about my motivational letter. So this is my motivational letter. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Marsha Putrizina. I'm from 11th grade. My major is programmer. So here my motivational letter. Dear Scholarship Program Organizing Committee, Ministry of Education and Culture of the Republic of Indonesia. Since a long time ago, I believe that every opportunity should be used by picking him. So, with this trust, I would like to take the opportunity to win a scholarship from the Ministry of Education and Culture of the Republic Indonesia. I am Marsha Putrisazwina and I'm 17 years old who wrote this motivational letter to express my interest in the scholarship program offered by the Ministry of Education and Culture of the Republic of Indonesia. I just finished I not uh, I'm studying at vocational high school at Ide boarding school. Since the beginning of school, I realized that there are many things that must be raised from programmers in Indonesia. Because of that, I continue to explore computer science and programmers as much as possible with the aim of contributing to the security of the Indonesian state on the internet. Even so, I also believe that knowledge alone is not enough. Because of that, I'm actively involved in several organizations such as Student Council at IDM Boarding School and taking class from with Angga and taking various class from Decoding. From the knowledge gate, I can implement it when teaching others in other schools. In 221 and 222. I mean 2021 and 2022, where I teach about website design and application. With this experience, I am even more confident to contribute to the success of the Indonesian state. Currently, I am also providing education about the use of the internet and computers to people in big city in West Java. The university I want to go is Telkom University, which is located in Bandung, West Java, is the campus I want. And the major I want is information system. Currently, uh, Currently, information technology dominates human need. Human research who are expert in this field are definitely also highly sought after. One such area of knowledge is information system, which studies how to build and operate specific hardware and software to interact with data. Still curious about this major? Mm, let's try the explain. Uh, I want to explain what is an information system major. The information system major is a combination of computer science, management, economic, and business. The focus remains in the field of software programming, but is more toward application to the company business. 3-4 is it is not surprising that many courses smell of management economics in this department. In contrast to informatic engineering, which tends to focus on system development, and programming. Information system focus more on how to manage the business of the system to be developed so that it conforms to standards and is suitable for use by its user. Course studied in the Information System Department. The course that will be studied in the Information System major are combination of programming, management, and business. Here, what you will learn is management and organization, algorithm and data structure, information technology and system, enterprise information system architecture, programming, programming language, software analysis and design, database design, IT governance, SE professional ethics, database management and administration, IT project management, and many more. Job prospect for graduate of the information system department by emphasizing the aspect of business analysis and management, information system graduates are very suitable to enter as IT expert in companies. The ability to combine business with programming often become an obstacle for programmers who are more focused on the technical side, such as graduate of information engineering and computer science. And the next is business analyst. Along with the increase in IT application in business, the business analyst is also increasingly needed. The existence of a business analyst is very important, one of which is to become a liaison between management and shareholders as well as between the IT team and user. And the next is web developers. A web developers make an application program for a website. It is web developer who create a website from scratch so that it looks attractive and very function can be used. This profession is indeed closer to the IT side of information system. And the next is project manager or PM. Back on the business side, the project manager is the driving force of all team member on a project. In a more strategic position, the role of a project manager greatly determines the survival of a company. And next is e-commerce system developer. The duties of an e-commerce system developer are quickly complex, conferring system flow, security level to the UI and UX of the company's e-commerce system. If this profession is your goal, build and develop your skill to work in a team from now on. And next is IT manager. To occupy the position of IT manager, you must have good management skills. Your job will be planning, coordinating, and directing activities related to computers and information system of a company. Installation and maintenance of hardware, software, and corporate networks are the responsibility of the IT manager. Next is database administrator. The job of a database administrator is to manage and organize company data. In the United States, this profession has increased by 11% from 2014 to 2024. The data state by the Bureau of Labor Statistics exceed the average increase in other professions. Next is system analyst. Although there is often overlap, A system analyst is different from a business analyst. A system analyst is more focused on IT system. For example, managing application, making specification used by programmers, as well as identifying what user needs are so that the system developed will be suitable. Next is IT consultant. Want to work in service sector, so maybe it consultant profession will suit you in the future. An IT consultant usually helps clients who want to use IT. IT consultant also assist companies in improving the structure and efficiency of their IT system. Ah, that way, people can understand the importance of maintaining the security of personal and family data on internet and how to. 3 4 in order to perfect this business business to I want to continue to depend my computer science one of the step I will take is take the information system program at Telkom Indonesia University. Because of that, I hope that the Ministry of Education and Culture of the Republic of Indonesia can trust me to get this scholarship. If I am selected for this scholarship program, I can allocate funds to provide training and education about making web-based application or application. This is done with the aim of participating in developing the security of the Indonesian people. Therefore, I am sure that I can make the most of this scholarship. Thus, I made this motivation letter. Thank you for your attention. Your faithfully, Marcia Putrisasmi. That's all from me. Thank you very much for listening. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.